Hi everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. I have in my hand a 5-cent coin. That's how much it costs me to show a prospective client 10 seconds of my video. On a bad day, it's 15 cents. On a really good day, it's 3 cents. And the variation in the prices really depends on how well people are engaging and responding to my content. If I walked up to you in the street and you didn't know anything about me and I said, watch my video for 10 seconds and I'll pay you 5 cents, do you think you'll do it? I highly doubt it. But people do it on Facebook and Instagram all day, every day. So running ads that encourage people to watch your videos is a very cost-effective way to promote your business on Facebook. Till next week, everyone.